dubbing director at the age of 19. At the age of 16, I was featured by Corina Sanchez as the youngest broadcaster. Now, my son beated me. He was 8 when he started broadcasting. So that means, ako kasi, I believe, we shouldn't wait until you graduate if you can do something great now. There's no such thing as tomorrow or yesterday, only today. If you can do it now, then do it. Great people start now. That's the reason why they're great, because they started during the time that they know the now is now. There's no tomorrow, they believe so, because tomorrow will be now, tomorrow. Wala kang choice.
Question po. Paano po na-involve sa broadcasting?
Well, sumali ako sa isang parang Pinoy Dream Academy. There's like 10,000 and I'm the champion.
Wow.
So, ganun lang kasimple yan. But politics is really bad in advertising and broadcasting. So instead of, di ba, sabi na, if you can't beat them, join them, I don't believe so. For me, if you can't beat them, don't join them. Create your own. If you join them, it's like eating your own shit. And the industry is not really good, no?